This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad dressing without olive oil. First, let's explore some fantastic alternatives. Avocado oil is a great choice, offering a mild flavor and a good source of healthy fats. You can also try various nut and seed oils like walnut or sesame for distinct tastes. For a creamy texture without oil, consider using Greek yogurt or tahini as your base. These options open up a world of flavor possibilities for your salads. Next, let's talk about the crucial acidic component. Vinegars like apple cider, red wine, or balsamic are excellent choices, each bringing its own unique tang. Freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice can also provide a vibrant, zesty kick. Don't be afraid to mix and match to find your favorite combination. The acid is key to balancing the dressing's flavors and enhancing your salad ingredients. Now, let's infuse some amazing flavors. Fresh or dried herbs like dill, parsley, or oregano can transform your dressing. Minced garlic or finely chopped shallots add a wonderful aromatic depth. A touch of Dijon mustard can act as an emulsifier and add a savory note. For a hint of sweetness, try a small amount of maple syrup or honey to balance the acidity. Don't forget salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Combine all your chosen ingredients in a bowl and whisk vigorously until everything is well emulsified and smooth. For an even creamier texture, you can use a blender or food processor. Always taste your dressing and adjust the seasonings as needed before serving. Store any leftover homemade dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 5 days for optimal freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.